Hello everyone, I just checked my old channel Mr. Tech and discovered most of you guys are saying they don't know how to install a Patcher. They are having issues. So guys, I'm going to show you how to install a Patcher. Search Patcher there on the website. Then once you search Patcher on the website, it will bring you, choose the first link. Once you choose the first link, click download Patcher. Mostly there is an advertisement, the one you are seeing right now. Just click back, you go back to this page, click again, download another advertisement, then click back. Now once you click download Patcher, there will be no another advertisement after you click back. So you can see now latest version, you go with that is download LP installer. Click download, go back because of the advertisement, then it will tell you file might be harmful. Click download anyway. So once you have done that, the file will start installing. So the next option, it is guys that you have said that soft lock is not available inside Patcher, because I don't know why, but it is because of the latest security updates. Soft lock was merged with the system, or such in a way that if you try to search for soft lock using apps, you can't find it. So guys, because soft lock is hidden, we are going to find a way to block soft lock. How? Okay, here we are. So guys, let's go. Okay, first we are going to navigation bar for Android. This is for the next project, because there's another project of bypassing where we use this navigation bar after the device locks. You use the lower button, because there are three, all of them, to replace the original one. So once you click back, if soft lock is displaying, the phone will go to the home screen instead of showing soft lock. Okay, so guys, after installing that, so you have seen my navigation buttons have changed. So let's open Patcher and see. Okay, you can see my end is already showing soft lock because I had already fixed that issue where soft lock is not showing. So guys, I'm going to fix that. I also have a soft lock clone. That is the one that I'm using to keep my device unlocked. But also I'll show you guys how to edit that, so that once soft lock launches, it finds a conflict. So open Z Achiever. If you haven't installed, go to Play Store. There's a Z Achiever. Install it. So we're going to go to the root file system. That is, find system. On the root file system in the Z Achiever, you click back until you find the system. Then once you click system, you go to apps. Then you will see HMD soft lock. Here we are. Once you see HMD soft lock, copy it. See it, the soft lock try to install, and say do you want to update this up to the original soft lock. So I'm going to copy it, then I'm gonna paste it anywhere. For me, I'm going to post it in notifications. There we are. I've already pasted it. So let's go to my Patcher. You can see it is still there for me. So I'm going to clear data for my Patcher so that you guys can know how to make soft lock appear and be able to be seen in Patcher. So I'm going to clear storage and clear kaki data for me so that you guys can see how soft lock appears. So once I've cleared that, okay, I'm going to allow some permissions which you are supposed to also to allow after installing the app. So keep while in use, then don't show this dialog. Then you can see the other soft lock is gone. I'm left with my soft lock clone. So if I search soft lock, it is only one. The second one has disappeared. So guys, how do you fix that and to make the other soft lock to appear? Here it is. So guys, I'm going to remove also this so that you guys can know how to create the clone and the permission that it should have, so that you can keep your device unlocked for some time. This is a bypass and it works until you restart. So with this, do not restart the device. So I'm going to close that so that the other soft lock clone can go. So keep up while in use. If I search soft lock, there's nothing because there's no an app in my phone called soft lock. But in real sense, there's a soft lock app in my settings. So let's go to my file system using Patcher. Notification, I'll find my soft lock app. Just click install, click yes. So in this case, if you have bypassed, your device will lock like that, but this device is already unlocked, so it can't lock. So I'm going to go to home. Then once I'm in home, you can see my soft lock has appeared there. It is saying a new app has been installed. So if I click on it, it will tell me this is a system app, and how as it becomes system, it is because it is set to be a system epic. So guys, already I've shown you how guys to make the app system. So guys, the next step I'm going to be showing you how to create the bypass and unlock your device, and the bypass will prevent the device from locking. So guys, ensure you have subscribed, hit the notifications, press a like there as you wait for the next video that is dropping soon. So guys, don't install the 3 buttons. Okay, so guys, if you don't and if you uninstall the navigation bar, you'll have missed, because the next process it requires those buttons. So guys, thank you for watching, and sure subscribe, hit a like there. The video is coming next.